All right, here's a follow-up on a follow-up. The painting on the triple tree is done, and a couple of commenters noticed that there appeared to be a crack right around in this area. Now I don't see it. Okay, but on the other hand, someone noted it could very well be covered up by paint. So while we watch, I'm just gonna scrape all this away, and I'll touch it up afterwards. See if we can see where that scratch. I saw it too. You know, it's I think 154 on the previous video, and it was right in this area. And I don't mind doing this. Because if there's a crack there, I want to know about it. But I don't see it. This is roughly this area. See that? That's a mark there. Let me get a piece of emery paper. I've got some down here, I think. Emery cloth. Yeah, right here. Here's a piece. Oh, the little scratch. All right, I just don't see it. I think we're okay, guys. I think I got the right area. All right. I think I pretty well covered it. I don't see it, I don't feel it, I don't fondle it. So I'm gonna repaint this little area. All right, so I think that hopefully that puts it to rest.